It is seriously wavy out here this morning at a sandbridge, but I'm gonna cast a few times and see what in the world is going on. Got my waders on, so I ain't worried about getting too wet. Ah. Yep. That's not the way it's supposed to go. Using some frozen spot bait and using some. What's going on here? Using a shrimp bites to just keep my bait on there because it's so rough out there on the water. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Probably nothing. These waves are getting ridiculous over here. So I'm gonna toss my bait around, probably rip it off. Waves look about 4 to 5 maybe. All due to that low pressure system or whatever way out in the Atlantic. But yeah, we'll see what happens. That's the reason why I call it can't catch shit freaking fishing. Switch spots from Sandbridge. I'm at Rudy Inlet. Still can't catch shit. I don't know what's going on. It's obviously the time of the year. December sucks over here, freaking in Virginia. Or I just ain't got the day or the spot. Freaking, it's all good though. It's all good. Up, I'm close to my house. I'm in Norfolk, Ocean View Fishing Pier. They're closed for the winter or whatever. But today's been a complete waste. Well, not really a waste. I spent, I don't know, maybe like 8 hours just trying to fish. No bites, no nothing. It's like Virginia don't have fish for some reason. I don't know why, but it's all good. Like I said on my description on my page, it doesn't matter if I catch fish or not. I'm just out here just to enjoy it and peace of mind. And I wish I could have caught something today, brought something home, but it is what it is. All right, have a good one. Peace.